Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has declared a state of emergency to curb the spread of the coronavirus.
全国的かつ急速な蔓延による国民生活及び国民経済に甚大な影響を及ぼす恐れがある事態が発生したと判断し、改正新型インフルエンザ等対策特別措置法第32条第1項の規定に基づき緊急事態宣言を発出いたします。
The state of emergency will take effect immediately and will last for a month. It applies to hard-hit cities, including Tokyo, Osaka, and 5 other prefectures. Michio Yoshida joins us now for more on this from Tokyo. Michio, what pushed Prime Minister Abe to finally declare a state of emergency?
Well, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe held a news conference, and he said that since last week he was figuring out when to call or declare a state of emergency. Now, the number of cases in Tokyo spiked last week to 100 or more cases in a day, and his panel of experts told him that at this pace there will be 10,000 more in a week and 80,000 more in a month. And he also showed concerns over the medical system in Japan, that he needed to protect the medical system. And he met representatives of hotel chains, asked them for their support to provide their units to patients. And he's been asking former medical workers to return to work. Now, on the back of such preparations, he said that he made the decision to make the declaration, and he stressed that this is not about a lockdown.
So, Mitch, what is Mr. Abe then hoping to achieve with this declaration?
Well, Mr. Abe actually notified the public ahead of time so they can prepare, so they will cooperate, not to come together in clusters or to spread the virus in case they have it. And, you know, I've been talking to a department store official, and what she told me that she was prepared, her department store was prepared to do whatever when the declaration is called. And already they have decided to shut down from tomorrow until May 6th, the period the declaration is valid. And some grocery stores say they will remain open, and that is okay because the government is saying that shops, facilities that operate the basic needs for the public should remain open, as well as transportation system. But already from this weekend, many people were not going out in the city of Tokyo. The trains were quite empty. There were seats available on the Yamanote line, which circulates the central part of Tokyo. So the call for not to go out has already been in practice, but Mr. Abe wants to push this further so the public would cooperate. And what he's been saying that if the contact with other people is reduced by 70 to 80%, then there will be a peak out in 2 weeks. And there's been reports, however, that people of Tokyo are fleeing from the city to the countryside. And Mr. Abe has called for those people not to do this, but because in the countryside there are many elderly people there, and they can be infected and they can become serious, and their conditions will turn to a very bad situation. And next, the governors of the prefectures will decide on the specific measures they will take. And the Tokyo governor says that she will make an announcement decision by this Friday on what kind of facilities to actually shut down.
Michio Yoshida, thank you very much for speaking to us from Tokyo.